Hey everybody, today we have a very exciting unboxing from the Cubicle. So this should be my white jacket, and I am recording this from a hotel right now because I'm just not at home right now. So we'll just get right into this. Alright, here we go. Alright, so some kind of business card, some receipt. Alright, let's see. So they sent me a few other things as well in addition to the white jacket. So got this Cubicle t-shirt. Another one. Let's see, another Cubicle t-shirt right here. And then let's see. Another one, and here's the main event. White jacket. And then we also have I think this is some hoodie or something, and that's everything in the box. So here it is. So there it is, and then of course got my last name on the back of it, so it's pretty cool. And I'll just open the rest of these. Alright, so looks like that's everything, and yeah. So once again, thanks to the Cubicle for sending me all this stuff, and I'm gonna go put this on and change my camera angle, so I'll be right back. Alright, so this is me wearing the white jacket, and of course we have my last name and the US flag on the back of it. So once again, thank you to the Cubicle for sponsoring me and for sending me this apparel. I'll be wearing this apparel at every competition from now on, and I actually have a competition tomorrow in San Francisco, so I'll be able to start promoting them there. So that's all I have to say in this video. So thank you all for watching, and once again, thanks to the Cubicle for the sponsorship. Bye.